This is our little moped. Found it today, just on the side of the road. Thought we'd have a snazz at it. Runs mint now.
We found it on the side of the road, right? With a 4-free, like, thingy on it. Our plan is to gut it, take the engine and transmission out. So we can have a new engine and CVT. Yippee! Yippee! It's in lovely condition.
I'll turn the fuel up.
Oh, there we go, fuel's full. All the speed. It looks a little decrepit, but it's okay. Yippee!
Moped! She's in mint condition, trust us.
No. There's a lot of pistons in that. What do we put these shocks on the trike?
Drift, don't we want like no suspension on it?
Yeah, but the front ones, these ones. So then you got some traffic.
Yeah. Right, we need to find a fuel tank on this thing. Oh, okay, that's just forever dirty. Degrease it.
Hey, it's not as bad as I thought it would be.
It's just used. Smell. Oh, what's wrong with it? It should do.
Oh, do you see the water seeping out of it?
Well, we did just wash it.
True.
How's it already so dirty? It's only just stuff.
Mucus spider webs.
Ugh.
It's a goofy little airbox, though, ain't it?
Because the intake is back there. What's this thing?
I don't know.
It goes up to the bottom of the fuel tank.
How long is this screw, man? I'm pretty sure that's just off. Oh, damn.
Oh, we took the gasket out. Whoopsies.
Oh, damn it. It ain't not that bad.
It's not. Why is it so, like, crushed?
I don't know. Squeaky.
Ugh. That shouldn't be like that.
I found the battery. Bam! Oh.
Did you break it?
There you go.
Now, we're not electronics people, but we're going to figure all this stuff out. Oh, no. Has this got a bunch of vacuum stuff on it?
Oh, no.
Oh, boo. Ooh, okay, I understand it all now. So this here is the actual intake. Goes into here, filters, and it goes into the carby, yeah.
Oh.
We got the CVT casing off, look at it. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's purple for some reason, but...
Yeah, look, it's all like purple on the outside of it. Well, it's purple and blue. Whoa.
Probably got super hot, maybe.
The maggot case. Oh, they're all over the mat.
No.
Carby is off. We had it pop and bang, but not run. So I had the carby off and just spraying started bastard straight into the intake. I'm taking it apart, see what's wrong with it. It's got all this electric gubbins on it. I don't want all that on there. I want to take it all off. Because that's your actual throttle, but then you got a slide in there anyway. I'm so confused. It's running. Oh. Okay, I did a bit of tuning. Oh. Running a bit better. All the repairs. The new seat taped up by your father. That's very hot. Everything's back together. It runs.
Oh, you gotta adjust your mirror.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Adjust the mirror. Yeah. Oh, I can see a lot. I can see a lot with that. Very nice. Now that we've finished all the repairs that we needed to do to this, because it was, well, a pile of crap really, we're going to take it for a few hot laps, see what kind of times we get, what kind of speeds we can get it up to. Not sure how good we're going to do, because this is the first time we've taken a moped around this little circuit we have, so we'll figure it out.
Alright, am I going first?
You ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, you got a 26.03.
And then
That's
you got
pretty quick.
24 and 24.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go. What was my time, boss?
Got a 25.59.
You're slower, you're slower. No, I was faster.
What was I?
26.03.
Oh.
Yeah.
What?
You ready for your go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We've got to start it again. The fuel fuel was the issue. I know what's wrong with it, got no gas in it.
There you go. Off your pop.
That's the last time she's ever going to ride that, isn't it?
There we go.
Alright, not too fast, boss.
Yeah, I got you.